pissing our pants yet?
Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully everyone's having a great week so far. And we are back today with another unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing one of my favorite characters of all freaking time. That's right, it's Negan from AMC's The Walking Dead. So I got this from a little local comic shop called Cosmix. So it's a local Montreal little comic shop. They have models and as well as action figures and much more collectibles as well. Not the same place where I got this, but man, am I excited. So Negan has been one of my favorite comic book anti-heroes, and he kind of turns out to be a good guy in the end, like I predicted. I haven't read the comic book series with Negan, but I did watch the AMC up until season 9. I still need to catch up on season 10, but as always, we gotta shut that shit down, no exceptions. So let's get the ball rolling. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the unboxing videos. You know what, let's actually have a look at the box itself. So here we have Negan. This is the side of the box. The other side of the box. Top of the box. Bottom of the box. With my favorite thing, the barcodes. Alright, and then we have the back, so you have a little preview of the collection. And these are, of course, made by Todd McFarlane Toys. And you gotta be 12 plus to be playing with this toy. And you gotta be 16 plus to watch the show. Alright, so let's get to it, shall we? I kind of want to keep the box intact. And yes, I am wearing a vest. I still love vests. Awesome. So he's about 10 or 12 inches. That makes two things. Ladies. We don't need that. So we got Lucile's butt right over here. So that little tiny piece, we can't lose it. If you guys are fans of the show, definitely don't hesitate to let me know in the comments. I want to be a little bit more delicate than I was with the Thanos figure because I kind of scuffed him up when I was taking him out of the package. And yes, Negan does have one arm, just like in the TV show. Alright, so this is Lucile, and Lucile is a vampire bat. What? Was my joke really that bad? So there are two different Negan action figures, but this is the one that spoke to me the most. Hell, who knows, maybe when I go back, I'll pick up the other one. The price, oof, look at that. Look at that. Is that amazing or what? You can almost feel, you can almost hear the home runs. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. You are it. Alright, if the boy screams, cut out his other eye and feed it to his father. Alright, so let's put him into his little stand. Because Negan is, of course, a stand-up guy. Amazing. So here we have the man of the hour, Negan, getting ready to do what? Shut that shit down. No exceptions. Man, I almost feel like getting Glenn and Abraham action figures just to complete the ball game. I really, really like it. So check out the detail of the face. Check out the jacket. Check out Lucile. But don't rub Lucile's pussy too much because baseball bats don't have pussies, man. If you watched the show, you got the reference. If you didn't watch the show and you didn't get the reference, that's on you. Now I just have one question. Who are you? So Negan has Lucile and Jiga has Jojo. And Jojo is, of course, my sword. Or should we call her Michonne? Balls of steel. Balls of steel. And yes, it is a real katana. And this is not a real plasma gun, obviously. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to be doing a few more unboxing videos. I am going to be getting eventually my loot crate with the theme of Dark Souls 3. I've been waiting for it for over a month now, and I'm getting pretty antsy for it. And then maybe a couple weeks later, my second loot crate will come, the Doom Eternal loot box. Negan, baby, Negan. Often imitated, never duplicated, just like Jiga. But he's never been taken either. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please drop a like on the video and stay tuned for more. Stay safe, stay sane, stay strong, and if you're not a gamer, live dangerously. Chiga Vega out. I appreciate you. Now get the hell out of here. Lucile is a vampire bat.
Taking it like a champ.